Accepting backup offers. Buyer was denied mortgage. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 BTH, open floor plan living room, dining room and kitchen west/brand new stove and dishwasher. Entrance foyer, first floor half BTH. Great location, all 3 BDRMS, 2 additional full baths, and laundry on the second floor. All in this well-maintained townhome with 1-car garage, large kitchen west/stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinets, and plenty of counter space. Master suite has a full bath and a huge walk-in closet. Sliders in living room to private fenced-in patio. Facing a bike path and not another building. Excellent condition. Right now the offers will be back up only.